4. The Coward Who Won a Medal. My wife has a relative 2 generations back about whom the family still laughs. He won a medal for bravery, although he frankly told his family he was a chicken, a coward. I myself have a fondness for his memory. What happened was this. Uncle H.C. was a railroad man back in the old days when railroading was hard and dangerous work. The freight train was overloaded, carrying expensive cargo, and there was only a small crew. Going down a sharp and dangerous grade, the train began to run away. Every man jumped off the train except H.C. He was too scared to jump. He knew that jumping was impossible for him, and the thought of being mangled in the crash was very unappealing. He scrambled over the boxcars, setting handbrakes until he was able to stop the train. As a result, because he had saved a valuable train, H.C., the lone quote-unquote coward in the crew, won a medal. I think H.C. was a brave man. H.G. Wells was right when he said, quote, "Brave men are the men who do the things they are afraid to do." End quote. H.C. knew himself, and as Proverbs 11:2 states, "With the lowly is wisdom." H.C. had humility and the wisdom that comes with humility. He was able to act because he knew what he could do and could not do. To crawl over the boxcars on a runaway train on a mountainside was an act of courage, and it was based on humility. Today, all too many men lack both wisdom and courage because they lack humility. They are not quote-unquote lowly men, but proud men. The other members of H.C.'s crew were proud and confident men, but none of them won a medal. The Lord blesses the lowly, the meek, and the humble. Such men know themselves because, quote, "With the lowly is wisdom," end quote. We are told that the Lord, quote, "giveth grace unto the lowly," Proverbs 3:34. Most people are trying to impress God and man instead of being lowly. They are proud and pompous. Such men, like those in H.C.'s crew, will jump off a train when the showdown comes. I have a fondness for the H.C.'s of this world. They are faithful to Scripture when it says, "Be not wise in thine own eyes. Fear the Lord and depart from evil," Proverbs 3:7. By the way, the men who jumped suffered severe injuries. H.C. was unhurt and won a medal. In his part of the country, some still remember his remarkable feat of years ago, before the days of air brakes, incidentally. H.C. was not even a brakeman. He was a fireman, had never set a brake before.